Welcome back. Today's video is about ONGC Recruitment 2021. If you want to read about the details, you can check the link which is provided in the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to Google and search for ONGC Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now. Our website will give you all of the information at one place itself. Join us through Telegram, get regular job updates. Link in the description box. ONGC has opened its vacancies for various branches and various posts. The official notification will give us all of the information. The first is when you open the official notification, the link provided in the description box. This is for the recruitment of graduate trainees in engineering and geosciences, and this is going to be at E1 level through GATE score of 2020. The vacancies are as follows. Name of the post is AEE for cementing mechanical, cementing petroleum, civil, drilling mechanical, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, mechanical, etc. So all of these posts are available. Now, to whichever post that you're applying to, you should have a graduate degree. Graduate degree into whichever post that you're applying to. So for example, if you're applying to mechanical branch, you should have a mechanical engineering. And for petroleum, you should have a petroleum engineering. For civil, civil engineering. For mechanical, mechanical engineering. For electrical, electrical engineering. And candidates should have a 60% of marks aggregate in order to be eligible. The GATE subjects which you should be taking up for the examination is mechanical engineering for mechanical post. Same again, whichever post you're applying to, you should be taking up the GATE of that particular subject. The vacancies for in each of the posts, you have 1 to 40 vacancies in each of the following. These are tentative, it may increase or decrease depending on the requirement. These vacancies again are divided into category wise. You are OBC, SC, ST and EWS. Now again, the vacancies are reserved for PWD category as well. The last is for the PWD category. Whoever belonging to PWD category can see the number of vacancies to whichever post that you are applying to. So we finished the vacancy details or the post details. All of this are the post availability. The next is whoever are belonging to PWD, SC, ST, OBC, reservation category candidates. You have to make sure that you are submitting the relevant caste certificates or the relevant documents which are to be authorized from the Government of India. And here are the abbreviations that are used. The courses, whichever course that you are applying to, whichever certificate that you are attaching to, that should be from a recognized university or institute. Candidates, if you have obtained your degrees through a distance learning part-time modes, all of those candidates also are eligible to apply. So if you have done your part-time through distance mode, through correspondence learning, you are eligible to apply. And qualifications mentioned in the table above only are to be considered. So graduate level engineering, whichever post they have mentioned only will be considered further, and the percentage of marks in the qualifying degree, it should be as per the university rules. If you are having your CGPAs, convert it into percentages and then mention. And minimum scale point consideration of CGPA is 6 and percentages is 60%. Candidates who are in their final year during 2019 or 2020 academic years, they will also be considered for this particular recruitment. And please mention specified categories or the specific sections that you are applying to in your applications. For the posts of AE, electronics or geophysics surface, all of these posts, the qualification is prescribed with a postgraduate degree in physics with electronics as well. So for some of the posts, they are asking for a master's as well. Check it properly to whichever post that you're applying to. But distance mode education or 2019-2020 passed out candidates are also eligible to apply. Next, the age limit is given here. For unreserved, age limit for all the posts except AE, drilling, cementing years, it's 30. And for all AE posts, it is 28. OBC, 33, 31. For SC, ST, it's 35, 33. And PWD, it's 40 and 38. Now, if you're belonging to reservation category candidates, the relaxations of age also will be applicable according to Government of India rules. You have to pay the registration charges for general EWS and OBC, it's 300, SC, ST, PWD need not pay any sort of application fees. This fees is non-refundable and you have to be deposited through online. Check the official website for all of the details, and any other allowances will not be paid for further appointment process or through interviews attending or document verification. After that, in shortlist, if you are made it to the appointment list or to the merit list, there will be an interview conducted virtually. The mode of interview is going to be through either Google, Duo, WhatsApp, Zoom or Microsoft Teams, etc. And this shortlist of the candidates will be intimidated very shortly. The dates which you have to remember are: starting date for the registration is 22nd of September, last date is 12th of October respectively. Here are the general instructions, you can read them. Relevant documents should be attached with all the other documents. And the next is in regards to the selections and the note which you have to take note of. Candidates who are belonging to reservation, you have to attach all the relevant documents, and the post of AE production and cementing will be further divided according to the specific qualifications. Gate score of 2020, you have to have special relevant gate score and also the subject code under the eligibility criteria that will be considered. In the subject mentioned itself, the shortlisting will be further made and then they will be called for the interview. Now this is the parameters where the candidate will be selected. Weight of the gate score of 2020 carrying 60 marks, qualification 25 marks, 20 marks for the essential qualification and 5 marks for line if you have PhD. Interview is going to be for 15 marks, so total calculation of a candidate is going to be for 100. And next is finalization of merit list. After the interview, merit list will be further made and then they will be having the offer of appointment. Only gate of 2020 score, only that will be valid, and the graduates of 2019-2020 are eligible, but 2020 gate score only is eligible to consider. Eligible and interested candidates, you can visit the official website is mentioned here, register themselves and then apply online. Registration will remain in the website till 12th of October 2021, and candidate can apply for 3 posts maximum to whichever branch that you want to apply, and you should be mentioning your GATE 2020 registration ID and all of the relevant documents. If your application is incomplete or if proper documents are not attached in the relevant format, your application will be disqualified. And next details is regarding medical conditions. The remarks are given here. The candidate should be medically fit. For more information, visit the official website time to time, and if you have any more doubts, put it in the comment section. Subscribe and thank you for watching.